Hello, all. My name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to continue our playlist on Python. So let's see and let's understand some of the Python basic concepts. Okay, so let's get into this. Let's begin our Python playlist show. Okay, so we have already seen how to print in how to give the input and how to get the output in Python programming. So we have seen some of the very basic concepts how to print welcome to India and how to give the input using the name as a variable, and we have given the name as a mic, and we also saw how we get the output after giving the input, and we also changed the some of the name in the input by using the name as a variable, and we also saw how the changes will be reflected in Python. Okay, so now we are going to continue our second playlist towards Python programming, and now let's see how the print command works in Python programming, and we also see how the Python programming gives the output by using the print option. Okay, so basically in Python what happens is it runs the code line by line. Okay, suppose now if you are typing something here, let's see suppose you are typing hello everyone. Okay, hello. Okay, we'll type it as hello world. Okay, so suppose if we run this particular cell or particular line, it will run and it will give the output. Okay, so for everything, for if we want to get the output for the Python programming, we have to run all the cells line by line or the cell by cell. Okay, so we'll see some of the other concepts, we'll see some of the other basic thing, how exactly the line by line works in Python programming. Okay, let's see how exactly it works. So we'll give it print. Okay, and I will give it as something h. We'll take it as h. Okay, and I will just copy this particular print h, and I will just copy it, and again I will paste it here, and again I will paste it here, and again I will paste it here, again I will paste it here. Okay, so any idea guys, if I run this particular cell, what exactly the output may be? Okay, yeah, that's right, you are right. So we can see 5 different print h, and we'll give one more, we'll add 1 or 2 h here, and let's see how exactly it works. So before giving this, we'll run this first, then we'll see how exactly it runs. So now you can see 5 different h. So as I told you, print command, it runs Python programming runs line by line. Whatever we give and whatever we give like this, it will run line by line. Let's add let's make some changes here, and let's see how exactly it works. So here I will try to add a few more h. Okay, so now let's see how exactly we get the output. These are all the very basic concepts in Python guys. Okay, I'm not going to any advanced concepts as of now, so we'll focus more on basics. We'll make as much as possible more videos on basics itself, rather than going to advanced concepts. Okay, so directly we'll not jump into any advanced concepts. We'll go step by step, and we'll make video anybody can understand the Python. We will make it even a 10th standard student can also understand Python programming. Okay, okay, so now let's see now we'll try to run this particular cell. Okay, so now you can see here you can see 1 h, and in this particular third line you can see more number of h because I have given more number of h here. Okay, and now let's see now we'll go for another example. Okay, suppose if you want to type any particular symbol. Okay, so we'll take it example of some dollar symbol. Okay, Suppose if you run this particular cell, sorry, print, okay, and it will run, it will give the output as dollar, because in the print what we have given dollar. Okay, suppose if you want to print $2, so now what you have to do, so obviously we will give $2, and once we run this we get the $2 as output. Okay, we'll add few more cells below because we are going to see some of the more examples. Okay, and now you might ask me, Pavan, if I want to print more than $50, so like do you think like we need to type $50 here? Obviously that is also one of the reason, like if you type $50, definitely you, once you run this, definitely you will get the output as $50. Okay, but we'll use some of the shortcut method, and let's see like do we get $50 or not. Okay, 50 times dollar symbol, so we'll use star, and we'll enter 50 because we need 50 times. Okay, now let's run. Okay, now you are getting $50. 50 times you are getting the dollar symbol. Okay, so this is the one of the special feature of Python, guys. It's very simple and it's very easy to understand. Anybody can understand Python programming. So we'll learn everything step by step. So now we have already seen, if I want dollars 50 times means we can do it like this. Suppose if you want any other symbol, you will take an example of hash symbol. Okay, even you can print hash symbol, and similarly if you want hash symbol more than 10 times or any number of times, so you can just press the number of times you want, star, that means into, multiplied by 25 times. And so we'll run this particular cell, so 25 number of times we can see the hash symbol here. Okay, so this is how the print command works in Python programming, guys. It's very simple. So that's all about this print option. And now let's perform some of the basic operations in Python programming. Okay, let's see like how exactly the Python programming works. We'll do some kind of basic operation. Okay, so we'll take it x as 10 and y as 15. Okay, so x is a variable, y is also a variable, and x we have defined as 10 and y we have defined as 15. Okay, and we'll run this particular cell. Okay, now it's already taken x as 10, y as 15, and now let's press z is equal to x plus y. Okay, so now let's run this particular cell, and now let's see like what we will get the output. So we didn't get any output, so we have given z is equal to x plus y, but we didn't get any output here. What is the reason? Exactly because we have not used the print option here. So print z, so what might be the output? 10 plus 15, that's 25. Yes, we got the 25 as the output. Okay, so we can also perform the operations by using any other variable. Okay, so here I have just taken x as 10, y as 15 as I have just taken that as an example. Okay, we can also replace x, y, z by abc, and we can perform the operation. Okay, so we'll see an example by We have taken the example of addition. We'll take an example of subtraction. Now let's see how exactly it performs. So now again let's assign x is equal to, we have already taken x as 10, y is 15. Now let's perform the subtraction. Z is equal to x minus y. Okay, so now let's run this particular cell, and we didn't get any output here because I have not used print still. So now let's see what is the output, what we are expecting. So now press Ctrl Enter. Now we can see minus 5 as the output for this particular operation. Okay, so similarly we can perform for multiplication. We'll use multiplication. So z is equal to x into y, and now let's run this particular cell and see what is the output, x into y. So what is the answer, guys? 10 into 15, exactly, that's 150. So now we can see 150. Now we'll go for division. Z is equal to we'll perform x divided by y. Okay, and now let's run this and print z. Okay, and then now let's run this particular cell. Yes, you can see 0.6666. Okay, so we have performed addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so this is how we perform the basic arithmetic operations in Python programming. So in the coming videos we'll go step by step, and as we go step by step, probably you may feel little bit difficult, but not much difficult, but still we revolve more around basics, and we'll see in the coming videos. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys, and I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you on it all. Thank you. Bye bye.